Mastering Your Finances, the ultimate guide to creating a comprehensive financial plan. Hello, and welcome back to Passive Income Journey 777. Today, we have a topic that can make a huge difference in your financial life, creating a comprehensive financial plan. As they say, failing to plan is planning to fail. And when it comes to your financial future, a well-thought-out financial plan is your roadmap to success. The importance of a financial plan. Host, a financial plan is like the foundation of your financial house. It helps you understand your current financial situation and sets clear goals for your future. As we'll see, having a financial plan can significantly increase your chances of achieving your financial objectives. The first step in creating a financial plan is setting clear and specific goals. Start by writing down your top 3 short-term financial objectives and your top 3 long-term financial objectives. Short-term goals should be achievable within the next 0-5 years, while long-term goals should be for 5+ years. Remember, specificity is key. For example, pay off car loan by November 2023 is much better than a vague goal like reduce debt. Now, let's talk about the current budget. Your budget is a snapshot of your income and expenses. It's crucial to update it yearly or when significant life events occur. Your budget helps you see where your money is going, and if you're on track to achieve your goals, if necessary, consider refinancing your finances. This can help you find extra money in your budget by reducing expenses and even your tax burden. While tools like TurboTax can be helpful in complex financial situations like being divorced kids or running a business, consulting an accountant can save you thousands per year. Debt management is a crucial aspect of your financial plan. List all your debts, including their amounts, minimum payments, and your plan to pay them off. Remember, speaking with a credit specialist to repair poor credit can save you thousands of dollars in interest over your lifetime. Having a safety net is essential for when life throws you a curveball. Review your emergency fund and insurance policies. These may include home, auto, umbrella, life, disability, and long-term care insurance. Modern insurance products like living benefits can bundle multiple types of coverage. Saving and investing are critical for achieving your financial goals. Identify what you want to save for, how much to save each month, and the target date for each item. For long-term goals like retirement or leaving a legacy, investing is crucial. Consult with financial professionals and use online tools to make informed investment decisions. Don't forget about giving and estate planning. Both short-term and long-term giving objectives should be included in your plan. Create a will, financial power of attorney, and medical power of attorney. Keeping all your financial information in one place will make things much easier for your loved ones in case of unexpected events. Finally, revisit your budget and make sure it reflects all your short-term and long-term goals. Remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. Many professionals can help you create the future you want. Having a written financial plan increases your chances of achieving your goals significantly. And that's it for today's video on creating a comprehensive financial plan. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to serving you with more exciting videos in the future. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the world of passive income. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment below and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from Passive Income Journey 777.